Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into a powerful platform designed to help you streamline your marketing, sales and communication. GoModern. Whether you are a solopreneur or running a small business, GoModern can be your one-stop shop for success. Introduction to GoModern. What is GoModern? GoModern is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform designed specifically for local business. It helps you to manage everything from collecting review and scheduling appointment to communicate with customers and converting website visitor into leads. Key feature of GoModern. Website builder. Create beautiful professional website without any coding knowledge. Marketing tools. Build email campaign, manage social media and generate leads. Sales tools. Accept online payment, schedule appointment and collect review. Communication tools. Centralize your communication with a single inbox for SMS, email and social media messages. Benefit of using GoModern. Save time and money by managing everything in one platform. Improve customers' communication and satisfaction. Increase leads and sales conversion. Stand out from the competition with a professional online presence. GoModern offer a variety of features to help you grow your business.